Welcome back, traders. Happy to have you here today. In this short video, I will show you my 100 times back-tested result in a roll on the Australian dollars, Japanese yen, with the breakout probability indicator on the 15 minutes time frame. At the end of this result, we would see the reliability of the breakout probability indicator trading strategy in the market. The breakout probability is an indicator that is based on price action market data. Make sure you use the breakout probability indicator in combination with the price action candlestick pattern in your trade decisions. I've taught you how the breakout probability indicator helps to detect trade opportunities in the market. Therefore, I won't spend much time explaining how the indicator's parameters function in this video. If you need to refresh your knowledge about how the breakout probability works, you can check the link I left in the description of this video. To trade on the 15 minutes time frame, I will check out price actions on the 4-hour time frame before concluding my trades decision based on the 15 minutes time frame. Also, I will implement this trading strategy to ride trends based on the 4-hour time frame. To buy with the breakout probability, I will watch out for a strong bullish trending price action candlestick with a high win and profitability percentage ratio on the 4-hour chart. Then proceed to the 15-minute time frame. If there's a high win and profitability percentage ratio on the 15 minutes chart, then I will initiate my buy setup. I will place my stop loss below the last higher low swing in the 15-minute time frame. And I will target a minimum buy profit target of a 2 risk to reward ratio. Also, to sell with the breakout probability, I will watch out for a strong bearish trending price action candlestick with a high win and profitability percentage ratio on the 4-hour chart. Then navigate to the 15-minute time frame. If there's a presence of a high win and profitability percentage ratio on the 15 minutes chart, then I will initiate my sell setup. I will place my stop loss above the last lower high swing in the 15-minute time frame. And I will target a minimum sell profit target of a 2 risk to reward ratio. It's time we proceed to execute my 100 trades based on the breakout probability trading strategy on the 15 time frame of the Australian dollars, Japanese yen. Here are my 100 times back-tested trading results in a roll based on this breakout probability indicator trading concept on the Australian dollars, Japanese yen. I implemented 2 risk to reward ratios. That was on 100 trades for 5 days. I got 60 wins and 40 losses. Most wins in a row is 6. Most losses in a row is 4. Gain on the account is 30%. Here's a good trading record. As we can see, the breakout probability indicator gave an outstanding trading record. This trading strategy works best when applied to trade in the direction of the higher time frame plus price action setups in the market. And also, avoid applying the indicator to trade a choppy market. Backtest this trading strategy based on this setup concept in order to fine-tune your trading system. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.